Hello and welcome to Your Guitar Guide, the channel where I'm going to help you find your sound with guitar lessons, music, and gear reviews. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Click that subscribe button wherever it's at. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. 'Tis the season. Well, almost the season. For me, any time of the year is a good time to play the guitar, but I've got a Christmas carol for you, and that's coming up. Hey there, thanks for joining me today, and I've got a Christmas carol here. I'm going to show you the 12 Days of Christmas. The thing I like about it is there's a lot of little things like alternating the picking and just playing on the tips of your fingers so you can make it ring out properly. One thing that's going to help you out on this lesson is play with the proper fingers, because if you're like this, you're gonna have to move up. So where if you're playing with the wrong finger, like say you're gonna use your one finger here, and then you're in the wrong position, you gotta jump real quick. So start with your second finger on the 4th fret. But other than that, it's a pretty easy little tune to play. And it's going to go like this. I'll show you how to play it first, and then we'll zoom in and I'll tell you exactly how, and I'll have the tab for you. First link in the description. So first, like I said, we're gonna pick back and forth. So if you're not used to that, you can practice doing that until you get it. Back and forth. So it's 3 picks. That would be on the 4th fret of the E string. 3 picks on the 4th fret of the A string. Three, 6, 3 on the D, 4 on the D, 6 on the A, back to 3 on the D. And then we're coming up here on the D string. 6, 8, 4, 6. Here's what we've got so far. So like anything in guitar, sit there and practice doing that over and over until you get it, before you go on to the next part. On the 4th fret, we're going to start on the 4th fret of the E string. Alternate pick back and forth. 1, 2, 3. 3rd fret. 6th fret of the A, 3, 4, back to the 3. 6, 8, 4, 6, 6, 8, 4, 6, and it's 6, 4, 3, 6, 4, 3. So it's 6, 4, 3, 6, 4 on the A string. So on the D string it's 6, 4, 3, and this is on the A string 6, 4. So it's 4 on the D, 6 on the E, 6, 4, 3 on the A, 6, 3 on the E. So all together it's so that's 1/2 of it. Practice doing that till you get it, and then it's which is on the D string 3, 4, 6. Go to the G string, play the 3, back to the D string, 3, 4, then on the A string 6, 4. So all together it's If you like that kind of lesson, can you give it a thumbs up? And don't forget to watch the next one. Thanks.